In this video, I'll show you how to log meetings, notes, and tasks automatically so you can save time and stay organized without manually tracking everything. Whether you're running a business or just need a better system to handle your work, this method will take the stress out of keeping your schedule in check. So, let's dive in. The first step to logging meetings, notes, and tasks automatically is using the right software. After testing a few options, I found one that works seamlessly for most types of meetings, tasks, and notes. It integrates with your calendar and task management tools, so you don't have to jump between apps all day long. When you set up the software, the first thing you'll do is link it to your calendar. This allows the software to automatically pull in your meetings. From there, it can organize meeting details, including the date, time, participants, and agenda, without you having to type anything out. It can even send reminders before meetings to keep you on track. Once your meetings are in, the software can automatically create tasks based on the discussion points and action items that come up during the meeting. It tracks who is responsible for each task and sets due dates for you so no one forgets what's due. The best part? You don't have to do any of this manually. The software uses AI to analyze your meeting content and generate actionable tasks. For notes, you don't have to write them down either. The software allows you to use voice to text or even take notes directly into the system, which it then organizes for you. It will even categorize them by project or client, so everything is easy to find later. This takes away the need for searching through piles of paper or digital notebooks to find that one piece of information. Now, if you've been looking for software that does this without you having to lift a finger, I'm sharing a special link in the description for a free trial of the software I'm using today. It's exclusive to viewers of my channel, so be sure to check that out if you want to follow along and try it yourself. You'll have full access, and trust me, it's worth it. Before I wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Automating the way you log meetings, notes, and tasks saves you time and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. With the right software, you can streamline your workflow and focus on what really matters. To quickly recap, first, connect your calendar to the software, then let it handle meeting details. It will automatically create tasks from meetings and generate notes for you. Lastly, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to try the software out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab that free trial and automate your way to a more organized day.